Hello, my name is Rockbody, and today I have something. It's definitely different to say. Uh, Hold on. Okay, we're back, and I got myself something to hold up my phone so I can actually do this. But I got a already opened TF2. The camera's over here. All right, portable Merc. As you can see right here. Now I am not an unboxing channel, so I'm gonna go right. I've never done this before, and I'll definitely show you why. I kind of it's a little iffy, but this one's open for a very specific reason. I have a plan for what's inside of here. And if anyone knows exactly which main I am, or what my favorite class is, it is engineer. And I won't say it's engineer because, well, I had a crappy computer when I first started. And so putting it out as an NPC, I'm just having it do all the work, and it kind of put me off. Then I found out that there was a bunch of skill needed for engineer. And so, no, I did not get any of these engineers. I did not get any of these engineers. I actually ordered the Golden Engineer off of Amazon. Now that might have just taken some of the surprise factor out of it. But we're going to open it up, and I will tell you the plan once I actually have it inside my hands. Hopefully the person who actually kept this tried to keep this in mint condition. Yep, we got a little bit of tape left here. Actually, I bet we can just do this realistically. Try not to damage the box as often. I'm just going to stick the tape to my table really quick. There we go. I did hear these things were really glued together, so that's not that much of a surprise, but it will have to do. Now, as I open this, I can already see the goldness of it, and it looks like they just opened it and instantly tried to throw them back, and they're like, oh crap, I gotta sell this on Amazon, you know. There it is. That makes slightly more sense. Oh, there. I'll say, I knew this thing wasn't made out of pure gold, so something might actually end up breaking. On camera focus. I'll have to super glue that together. That wrench seems to be in good condition. It is the golden wrench, not an Australian one like I actually have. Here's the engineer himself. As we can see, he has been wounded, probably in combat. Now this does not move. Yeah, his arms are not supposed to move. That will haunt your dreams. I'm just gonna move my light to my shoulder so I can show off the engineer maybe a tiny bit better. Now, yes, I will be polishing him to make sure he keeps in good condition. There we go. Make sure he keeps in good, decent condition. I will be super gluing these, and I'll be back when I have his wrench in his hand. I don't know. Yes, the wrench does go in this hand. And I'll be back. And we're back. Alright, that was probably loud, but got some Gorilla Glue. I'm actually going to scoot the camera back a tiny bit and raise it. Angle it now. There we go. So we got the engineer. We got the nice glue. And my mom really likes this like cereal. She eats it like every day, so I'm gonna use the recently closed box to super glue. Let me fixate the camera. His arm back together. Now, as far as I know, this could be a very bad idea because that's a clean cut. But this should work. There was only one left, so I will not be returning this. I'll just have to suck it up. Alright. I don't have any gloves for this, so let's just get right into it. Just make sure it works. Okay, it works. Actually, let's just glue it on this base. Camera. Is it gonna focus? Okay, now it's focusing. Alright. So let's just quickly... That should be enough. Do not want to overdo it. Does not look okay though. So break it off and move it before it gets stuck to my hand. I'm trying to do this and make it watchable at the same time. That might be what we actually get, and as you can see here. Come on, camera. Focus, please. Well, you can see it a little bit. It's a little bit cut. But other than that, let's see if we can actually fit... No, camera. Let's see if we can actually fit the wrench side of this hand. That'll involve maybe some extra gluing. Yeah, because that's already broken now. I'm going just to reapply some more. Got some on there. Do not want to lose that. Got it back up. Alright. So I know this mercenary's hand's not supposed to move, so I think someone might try to move his hands. Maybe a small child. I'm going to leave that there and not allow that to rest on it. Now, the engineer does have his other hand, which can still not move. See if the camera actually focuses. There we go. Let's see if we can actually fit this wrench inside of his other hand. Ooh. That's my heater. Maybe let's try to fit in this way. Ah, there we go. So yes, it can hold it. Check out that neck. It seems to be coming off the neck as well. Oh yeah, they're supposed to come off. Just remembered. The paint is peeling though. I'm going to guess this is a very old figure. Come on, phone. There we go. Alright. Let's see if the other finger is actually compatible with holding this now. I'm going to need this back. There we go. Hello. Ah, it broke off again. Alright, so I'm going to try to glue it around this. Hopefully it doesn't attach to it. If you don't want to watch all of this, I would just skip to like the last minute or so of this video. Just to even see if I actually got this up and running. Which, knowing me, I most likely didn't. I just moved the camera on accident. I'm sorry. That should be good. Come on, focus. Come on, just fit on in there. Not to my hand, please. Crap. Well, it's shiny, so maybe I can just shine the light on it. Yep, there it is. I could feel it. Not that positive I got it or not. They might have used some sort of sparkle thing. I'll come back to you when I find it. Alright, so I actually got it attached to the point that the wrench can be held in. It's not very well, but it'll do. So, now all we have to do is attach it to the engineer's body. Hey, I'm running out of storage now, so not gonna pay attention. I'm just gonna put on some glue here. Maybe a little bit more. The other side of it. Yep, there we go. Nicely attach it to his body like that. Hold it there for maybe like, I don't know, 5 seconds. That's not that good. We need a tiny bit more in there.